Hello, welcome. My name is Sir Kofi. I am a student of planning and GIS. And on this channel, I talk about how to do mapping with ArcGIS, QGIS, and ArcGIS Pro. So if you are interested in this topic, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell icon, and like this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to learn how to do zonal statistics in ArcGIS. Yes, so this is the land surface temperature of Kumasi, and this is it. You come here, you see the high, the low in 2026. The high land surface temperature of the area is 50, the low is 28.4. And if you right click and you go to properties, the source, you come down, you see the mean, the maximum, you see 50.2 is the same thing here, and the minimum and the standard deviation is also here. Do you get it? But this is for the whole Kumasi. What if you want to know the corresponding high, low, mean for this area? This is KNUST. This is KNUST. Do you get it? And this is also another school. That is Christian Service University. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? What if you want to know the mean, the high, the low temperature of these respective areas? You can decide to clip. KNUST is big enough for you to clip, get its corresponding high and low and mean. But what if the area is small like this? Do you get it? It will be very difficult for you to clip it. I don't know. It will even look blur. That is when zonal statistics come in. And that is what we are going to do today. So let us start with KNUST. Like I said, we are coming to the zonal statistics. So you go to the Toolbox. Then you go to Spatial Analyst 2. Then you go to zonal. You see zonal statistics as table. Select that one. In the first pane, you select the area you want to work with. I want to work with the KNUST. So I will select that one. Then I'll choose the FID or the ID. Then over here, I'll select the raster. Here, the land surface temperature raster. If you want, you can specify where you want it to be saved. Then you click OK. So this is what we just did. Do you get it? This is it. So when you right click, it will come as a table. You open. You will see maximum, minimum, mean, standard deviation is here. Do you get it? Yes. So with the whole Kumasi, the highest temperature is 50. But with KNUST, the maximum temperature is 43.7. With the whole Kumasi, the lowest temperature zone is 28. And with KNUST, it is what? 31. And KNUST, the mean temperature is what? 36.9. But if you compare it with Kumasi, the mean temperature of Kumasi is what? 38. Have you seen that? Yes. Now, let us do some cross-check over here. Now, we want to see if the zonal, I want to show you to verify if zonal statistics actually works. So we will clip KNUST. You go to search, you search for clip data management. You come here, 2026. That is the raster. Then you select the boundary over here. You check the two. Make sure you check both. You click OK. Now we've clipped it, so we can even uncheck this. We will be left with this. Now this is KNUST's corresponding land surface temperature. Are you getting it? Yes. So having that, you see that indeed the highest area is what? 43.7 and the lowest is 31.7. Let's go back to the zonal statistics we did. The clipped one, the highest is 43.7. We come here, 43.7. Have you seen it? It is the same. Lowest, 31.4. Minimum, 31.4. Standard deviation is what? 1.88. Mean is 36.9. We can right click on this. Go to properties. You come here. Standard deviation, 1.89. The same thing. Maximum, 43. The same thing. Have you seen it? So zonal statistics is actually accurate. Do you get it? But like I said, what if the area is not big enough? KNUST is like 1,000 hectares. What if the area is not big enough for you to do the clipping? Like here. that is when zonal statistics will come in. Do you get it? So we can just go and try this. This is actually a school called Christian Service University College. Do you get it? So we can just go back, zonal statistics. You select the boundary of the school, FID, then you select the raster, Kumasi raster. You can maintain, you can come here. If you want only mean, you can select it. If you want only standard deviation, but I want all. Do you get it? Then I'll click OK. So with a school, the result is that the maximum temperature, if you narrow it to the school, here, only here, the maximum temperature at that level is what? 39. The minimum is 37, and the mean is 38. Are you getting it? Yes. So that is zonal statistics for you. I have actually verified it with clipping, and now we know that it is actually accurate. And now you can use it to do whatever analysis that you want to do. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.